Yes, 6.1 is the rate of change of y with respect to x. Sometimes the rate of change of y, if I simply mention like this, the rate of change of y, we say you can take it as dy by dt. Second quantity, if second quantity is not mentioned, my dears, if second quantity like this, okay, here mentioned x, therefore here I write dy by dx now. Rate of change of y with respect to x and so on. Okay? Here, rate of change of y, chuma, if I stop it like this, if second quantity is not mentioned, the rate indicates with respect to time. Rate indicates with respect to time, yes, with respect to time. Another dy by dt will become. See the difference, my dear. If the second quantity is mentioned, if the second quantity is mentioned, if the second quantity is mentioned, yeah. Second quantity is mentioned, so dy by dx. Second quantity is not mentioned here. Rate indicates time with respect to time ds. Therefore, dy by dt. So here, what we'll be doing it? If the radius is changing at one particular rate, what will be the change in the volume of a sphere? Or what will be the change in the area of a circle? The radius is changing. Because radius is the primary parameter which governs the sphere, circle, etc., etc. Okay. Similarly, you can apply for a cube, cuboid, sphere, air bubble in the shape of a sphere. So all these things we'll be discussing in this class now. Okay. How to find out dy by dt? How to find out dA by dt? How to find out dP by dt? This is called volume. Rate of change of volume, rate of change of area, rate of change of perimeter. So 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, yes. Clear? Okay. What do we need? Some inputs are required, my dear. Some inputs are required for this whole chapter. 6 point, not only for 6.1, for 6.2, etc., etc., 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. You require all these formula. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cuboid like this. Okay, I hope all of you know this cuboid. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay. With all this formula, you're supposed to know it. Still, I will write it. Okay. Yes. Cuboid. First is the lateral surface area bar curved surface area. If I speak this one, the curved surface area. When I speak these two, we speak about lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means they are not round, they are not curved. Okay. Yes. Is it visible, clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No issues with audio, video, right?
No, sir.
Right. Better, I think. I have not done that. Right. Yeah. Guys, here, cuboid LSA or CSA is what? Cuboid is governed by LBH. Cube is nothing but L equal to B equal to H equal to A. All these fellows are equal to A. Okay. So this is called LSA is nothing but 2H into L plus BDS. Sir, how do I know this? Cube is One more thing, my lateral surface area is nothing but area of four walls, my dear. Area of four walls. If I take a cube, yes, if I take a cube has got four walls. Each wall is a square, whose area is a square. So four walls, a square plus a square plus a square plus a square is what? Yes, 4a square. This is called 4a square. நீங்க இதுல a போடுங்க. 2, h is a, l is a, b is a, right? So 2a into 2a என்ன வருதுப்பா? 4a square பா. புரியுதா? So if you know one formula, cube is a bonus ma. By cuboid you will get a cube, yes. Okay. Cylinder ma. Cylinder is 2 pi r h. இதெல்லாமே actually வந்து for these three things I told you in the 10th standard, for cube, cuboid and cylinder, LSA is nothing but perimeter of the base into height ma. Now you want cylinder 2 pi r into HDS. That's all for how simple it is. For cone is a different mark. For cone and sphere it won't be governed, so pi RL. Sphere it is 4 pi r square mark. Next is TSA. TSA means what? Total surface area means 6 faces R mugam. Okay, that's called 6a square. Here 2LH, 2BH, and 2LBDS, 2LB mark, 2 times for cuboid, TSA is 2 times LBH mark. LBBH plus LH. Am I overdriving or what? Shall I simply skip and go? Okay. Cylinder ma, add top and bottom here. CSA plus 2 lids ma. Rendu lid vandu rendu circle ma for a cylinder. Okay. Top lid and bottom lid, yes. Cone pi RL plus only one lid will be there for a cone. Cone. Bottom is not any surface. Bottom is only. And for a sphere, there is no top and bottom. Therefore, it is same pi r 4 pi r squared, yes. Am I clear, pa?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next one, now volume of a volume is nothing but L into B into H, ma. That's it. Take A into B, A into A into A. It is called AQ. Volume of a cylinder, for a cylinder, LSA is PU, perimeter of the base into height. For these three things, volume is nothing but area of the base into height. You take a cylinder, area of the base, area of a circle into height, that's called pi r square h. And this one, cone, it's 1/3 poduma, pi r square h irukillenga, that's 1/3 pi r square h. Very, very important one. Sphere vandu 4/3 pi r cube ma. No h and all, only r will be there in the sphere. That's all, yes. In the cone, very important thing is the cone. So this is called height, this is called R, and this is called L ma. So L square equals to R square plus H square. That is our cone, yes. Very important formula, which we will be using in the 6.5 yes. So 6.1 to 6.5, we will be using all these formulas. Okay, what about the perimeter of rectangle, ma? What about the perimeter of a square? 4A. A stands for side of a square. I hope it is clear, ma. Take it down here. See, you require this, ma. You require this. This also you take it. LSCA is POB into H and volume is AOB into H. Siddharth knows it. I am going to. Yes, ma. I hope you have copied, right? You have taken this. So these are all essentials, my dear, to deal with. Of course, perimeter of rectangle is required, perimeter of a square is required, circumference of a circle is required, area of a circle is required, that's called pi r square. I hope all these things are known to us. But simply is my duty, I'm just telling you this. I hope you all have copied it. And even there is a hemisphere is there if you think it's needed. Hemisphere. Hemisphere is half mark. 2 pi r square. This one the half 2 by 3 pi r cube. This one the 3 pi r square. One extra surface will come. Total surface area of a hemisphere. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this also I think you can take it. You know, custom is there of course, but it's not there. It's not required. Yes. These are all the inputs required for 6.1 at least, okay? Of course, for even 6.5 also. This is 6.1 dear. 6.1. 6.1 is called rate of change of one quantity with respect to another quantity x. In the ரெண்டு வந்து y and x என்றது fixing கிடையாது. I can say that a rate of change of area with respect to time t, then I will write this as called dA by dt. A rate of change of volume, rate of change of volume with respect to radius, then it is called dV by dr of a sphere. இந்த மாதிரி அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து படிக்கிறது, please reading the statement, translating the statement into mathematical quantities is a very, very important in this chapter. All questions are word-based questions, my dears. Word-based questions. Yes. So I will take up questions, my dears. Nothing else, Mas. I have given the inputs to you. I have just stated what is required here. It's only application. But unless and until you read the question well and understand the question in a properly and transform that into your dA by dt, dV by dt, dr by dt, etc., etc., it all several other things will come into. So how do you translate the given word sum into mathematical equivalents? That is the art of this. Art is required, a skill is required for this exercise, my dear. 6.1. Okay. So 6.1 is done, ma. 6.1 I have not done. Okay. 6.2 it's a very, very useful chapter called tangents and normals, my dears. So excellent chapter, man. Tangents and normals. Another beautiful topic, yes. Tangents and normals. 6.3. What is 6.3, puppies? Anybody? Approximations, another one more chapter is there, man. 6.4. And maybe increasing and decreasing functions, man. 6.5 is maxima and minima, yes. Maxima and minima. Please take it. I am doubtful, okay, I just. Just take it, ma. Just take it. Yeah. Actually, second is this one, pa. This is 6.2, ma. It is 6.3. It is 6.4. 6.5 is maximum and below. Okay, doesn't matter. Small shuffling happened. These are the 5 exercises, ma, please. This is actually 6.3. This is 6.2. This is 6.4. I know this is 6.4. Approximations, ma. How this? Suppose 2.001 whole power 100. I have to find out. It's impossible to find in the normal way, correct? But derivative helps us in finding the approximate value of these things. 2.001 for at least whole power 5 or whole power 4. For with our normal calculation skills, we cannot do it. But by using this derivatives, we will be finding approximately the value of 2.001. Then tangents and normals, ma. What are tangents and normals? Yes. Siddharth, can you tell me dear, what is a tangent and normal, ma? Tangent is a line which touches the curve at only one point, my dears. So if I take a circle, this is called a tangent, ma. Touching at only this point. This is a tangent T. At a point P, the point P is called x1, y1. Note panko please. X1, y1. The point is x1, y1. So I can draw an infinite number of tangents to a circle or a curve, but I am interested only a tangent at one point, okay, at this point. So I can find out the slope of the curve at that point by drawing a tangent. Why should I draw a tangent? To know the direction at that point. Meaning physics lo kelupattirupinga, right? Rotatory motion, okay, circular motion. So when object is moving in a circle, you are here, the stone is here in Vechkonga. At this point, what is the direction of the stone? If that means if you cut the thread here, if you disturb the circular motion, at this point, stone move agumbodhu, when at this point, if you cut the thread, the stone will fly away like this. That is the direction. As a tangent. Tangent will give the direction at that point. Physics is romba muchyamaana, please. Anyway, you want to know the direction of an object, you should draw a tangent. Okay. So this is called tangent, and this is called normal, DS. This is called normal. Tangent, normal. So equation of a tangent, see, once you know this point, equation of a tangent normal is nothing but point slope form. Point already the slope point slope form, equation of a tangent. So it is only a 11th standard stuff, coordinate geometry, equation of a line. Tangent is a line. Tangent is a line. Is a line which touches the circle at only one point. At only one point. Whereas secant, what is secant is called, ma? A line which cuts the circle at the 2 points. Ma. That is called secant. So normal is nothing but normal at a point is nothing but perpendicular to the tangent at that point. Normal is nothing but perpendicular to the tangent at that point, at the point of contact. This is called point of contact. So that is about our tangents and normal. Approximation, increasing, decreasing function already we discussed. Okay, f dash x is greater than 0, increasing function. F dash is strictly rather decreasing function. Maxima, minima, of course, f dash x is equal to 0 and f double dash x is less than 0. We say that the function will have a minimum. Of course, other way is, these are all we are going to discuss in the next 2 weeks time, or at least a week time. Okay. So now, how to complete 6.1, please? 6.1, what I do, please? Simple questions are there. I will take up very few questions. Okay, please look at 6.2, 6.1. Right, is there, right. Page number 5, page number you take 197 part. Take page number 197. Page number, yes. Yeah. Friends, I'll take third question. Please look at this third question, sixth question, ninth question, or something like 10th question, doesn't matter. 13th question, 14th question, 15th question, like that we take. And 18th question, like that. Okay. These are all 7 questions are there, because the 10, 13, 14 are somewhat even. 11, 12, 13, I think 10, 11, 12, 13 I missed out. 10 is very nice question. I think 13th also, yeah, 13th also good one. I have done it. Okay, good enough. Let us see, if I can complete all these things, is a great. Okay. Third question, you look at this now, please. What is the third question, please? Yeah. I write the question, please. If you have a question, please go through it. Yeah. The radius of the circle is increasing uniformly. Sorry, I just forgot my specs. Yeah, got it. The radius of the circle is increasing uniformly. Increasing uniformly, doesn't matter. Okay. At the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Yes, 3 centimeter per second. This is very, very important. This unit of this. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. Find the rate. I'll write at least one question. Find the rate at which. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when radius is 10 centimeter. This is the full question, yes. I'll do very, very slowly and yeah. Parna, please. The radius is uniformly increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Unit Parna, centimeter per second Parna. Per second means what? By the time. Centimeter na radius ma. This is dr by dt. Parna, please. dr by dt. The change of radius with respect to time. This is the radius. This is the time ds. Okay. dr by dt. That is called 3 centimeter per second. Unit itself will give you the sense of that. Yes. Now you have to find out the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. A rate. He said second quantity he didn't mention. Therefore, I told you earlier it is a dA by dt. When R is 10, this is called R equal to, say substitute at the end, R is 10 ds. That means you are differentiating with respect to time. Friends, here our function of interest, this is our function, there's area is our function and circle is our object, please. Friends, here area of the circle is our function, area of the circle is our function. A required function, yes, this is called a required function. The quantity required is area, object given is circle, yes. So area of the circle is pi r square. That's one pair. A is pi r square. Why? Because dA by dt. Differentiating with respect to t. With respect to t. dA by dt. Here A and R are variables, please. A and R are variables. Therefore, it is a 2 pi r. Pi is a constant. And dr by dt. Whenever there is a variable, we should differentiate it with respect to t. Already given dr by dt is 3 here. So it's 2 pi r into 3. That is called 6 pi r. That is called dA by dt. He said that dA by dt at r equal to 10. Put now. dA by dt at r equal to 10. 6 pi 10. That is called 60 pi. Can anybody tell the unit, Unit? Area means what? Centimeter square per second. I write here dA by dt at r equal to 10 is 6 pi r. 6 pi r. R is 10 now. That is called 60 pi. Area our unit is centimeter square per time of unit is second. I hope it is clear, right? Clear, Arpit and Siddharth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice. Arpit, Siddharth, are you listening, ma? Siddharth? He is not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where are you? I think you are busy with some other work or what? Because you already know the chapter. That's
No,
why
sir.
you are not. No.
Mic is issue,
Just,
sir. Mic is issue.
okay. Let's move on to the sixth one here. How beautiful, Pargas. So simple or not, Arpit? Is it not simple?
Yes, sir. Very simple, sir.
Yes. So just if you have any difficult questions in this, you can ask me. Both of you can ask me any difficult question. Please let us do those difficult ones again. Instead of doing all kya baat hai, or doing the simple questions, I don't. Exercise questions. Even we have a miscellaneous exercise there, if you want that, I think we should do miscellaneous exercise. We will see that. We will see a lot of time is there. Friends, third one is done. So let's move on to the sixth one. Yes, sixth one, please. This is the same circle patte pesaranga. Sixth one, Balla, I think better to go for fifth one. Very long question. Okay, fifth one. Fifth one. If all of you can go through the fifth question, is that a stone is dropped. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at the speed of 5 centimeters per second. 5 centimeters per second. Move in circles at a speed of 5 centimeters per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeters, how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? Same question, same third and fifth is same, but only thing is they are given. Third one they are given in terms of directly they gave 3 centimeters per second dr by dt. Inga vandu koncham application type kuduthirukanga. A stone is dropped into the quiet lake and the waves will move. Waves will move in what shape, circle only. Speed is nothing but 5 centimeters per second. Okay, wonderful. How fast is the enclosed area is increasing mass? So this is nothing but dr by dt only. Yes or no, dears?
Yes, sir.
dr speed is increasing like this mass. Speed and this is called nothing but radius simply. Yeah. Okay. At the instant of the radius circular when r equal to 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? dA by dt. Fast and என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா with respect to time and சொல்றதுமா. Please note down this point. dA by dt. How fast? இங்க ஒரு செகண்ட் இருக்க பாருங்க with respect to time part. And they are in the circular shape, the waves are in the circular shape. Therefore, area of the circular shape is nothing but pi r square. dA by dt. 2 pi r into dr by dt, dears. Simple, ma. That's all. R equal to 8, r equal to 10. I should have gone with 8. And this is called dr by dt is pi ma. Same question, dears. 40, 80 pi ma. What is the unit per centimeter square per second? Same question, ma. Sorry. I think I should have gone for my plan, 6th one. I think 6th one is also dummy question, though that's why I went for 5th one. Okay, anyway, take it, dears. This is the question number 5 part. Waves are moving at the rate of 5 centimeter per second means what? The radius is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. If that is the case, at what rate the area is increasing? 80 pi one second 80 pi centimeter square area is increasing. Wow. Brilliant. Is it clear, pa? Shall I move to further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, question number 6 is simple. You can try it. Why? Because it's the perimeter. Okay, perimeter of the circle circumference. Question number 6. Once again, he has given that the radius of the circle is increasing. dr by dt is given as 0.0 centimeter second. What is dt by dt means what? Perimeter or circumference of the circle. Circumference. C stands for circumference of the circle. So C is nothing but 2 pi r here. Therefore, C is 2 pi r. dc by dt is nothing but 2 pi. The derivative of r is 1 into dr by dt. That's all. 2 pi into 0.7. That is called 1.45 centimeter per second. Why? Circumference of the unit is what? Centimeter. For note control. Unit based on the function we are discussing. Over past 6th one is over. Friends, I think I'll go for question number 7 also. Question number 7. Please watch here. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Length of a rectangle, you take it as L. Breadth of a rectangle, you take it as the B. Length of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Minute and a time part. That means what? dl by dt is given as minus 5 centimeter per minute. Now decreasing and a minus increasing plus 1. And the width y, are you all watching the textbook, ma, please? Arpit, do you have a textbook?
Yes, sir. I'm watching the textbook, sir.
Right. Next one. The width of the width y is increasing at the rate of width y. Oh, இது x ன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்கப்பா. X and y are the length and the breadth. அவங்களே fix பண்ணிருக்காங்கப்பா. Sorry. The length, this is called length, my dears. The length is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeters per second. This is called dx. dy by dt is given as 4 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 8 and y equal to 6, find the rate of change of perimeter dp by dt is the first question. Second question is area of the rectangle dA by dt. That's all. Yes, we do both. This is how the question is framed. I repeat it. Yes, there is a rectangle. We are changing it. The length is increasing, decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. That is dx by dt is minus 5 centimeter per minute. The width is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Whatever, there will be a change in area, but he is asking us find change in area, change in perimeter. Okay, friends. So there are two functions now. One is the perimeter. First you handle that. We are talking about rectangle. Therefore, perimeter is our function. Perimeter of rectangle is our function. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into x plus y. So perimeter is nothing but 2 into x plus y. Guys, very, very interesting thing here. You can have, previously you had only one variable mark, perimeter and not 2 pi r. In the p, in the r, therefore you can say directly dp by dt, 2 pi dr by dt dx. But in the ரெண்டுக்கு வந்து நீங்க ரெண்டு வேரியபிள்ஸ் இருக்குமா, each one you have to differentiate matrix. dp by dt is nothing but dx by dt plus dy by dt. Simple. So 2 into what is dx by dt ma? Minus 5. What is dy by dt ma? 4. 2 into minus 1, that is called minus 2 centimeter per minute ma. This is your first question, my dear. Is it clear, ba? Next is the area, dears. Area. Area of a rectangle is nothing but L into B, right? That is x into y. Okay. You can do what dA by dt is nothing but UV formula x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Yes. He said that when x equal to 8 and y equal to 6, x equal to 8, dy by dt is 4 plus y equal to 6 and dx by dt is minus 5. (32 minus 30 mark). That is also 2 centimeters square per minute. Days. Per. This is the perimeter is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per minute, whereas area is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per. I hope it's clear. Okay. Board is fully visible, ma?
Yes, sir.
Board is fully visible. Yeah. Okay. Clear ma? Over?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I go on? Sir, next one, ma. 10th one, please. Please understand this now. Without understanding, don't move forward. Don't worry about it. How much time we take for a question doesn't matter. Please don't leave me until unless you understand. Yes. Yeah. Next is question number 10. Question number 10, the previous question, yes. Question number 10, excellent question. A ladder 5 centimeter long is leading to a wall. This is the wall. This is the base, okay, the ground, okay, this is the ground. And there's a ladder in the top, bottom of the ladder, and this is the top of the ladder. This is the ladder, this whole length is 5 meters. Length of the ladder is 5 meters long. Ladder 5 meters long. Is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. This is the wall, dear. This is the wall. This is called foot of the wall. This is called foot of the ladder, ma. This is called foot of the ladder. Okay? This is the foot of the wall, ma. This is called foot of the wall. Anyway, we can't move the wall, right? What we are doing, ma? Now, what we are doing is we are moving this foot of the ladder at the rate of, if I take, this is called X, this is called Y, okay? A, B, C, right? Okay? These are the 3 points. You move this point at the rate of what? See that? D and pull. If you move the ladder, foot of the ladder like this, the top of the ladder will drop down. Do you agree, ma? Do you agree? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah. This is called EDS. Okay. So this will be the new position market. If you move this, if I take X here, X is increasing at the rate of, that is called dx by dt. This length mark. This length is increasing at what rate? Put the paragraph. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. It is increasing, mark. Last catch. At the same time, the y என்றது முன்னாடி இவரே இருந்தது கம்மியாகும். That means dy by dt is decreasing. Okay? Decreasing. How fast is the height on the wall? This height on the wall, okay, is decreasing. The y is decreasing. Y dy by dt. I'm not negative term of answer, please. Okay? If you all understand, yes. If I move the foot of the ladder in this direction, the top of the ladder will fall back. Yes or no? Right? Right. I hope you understand that point. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter away from the wall? This is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 meter. 4 meter, 4 centimeter. If x equal to 4 meters, friends, look, let us look at the static case where the ladder is 5 centimeter, this is 4. What will be this height mark? Do you agree? Yes? 3, 4,
Yes, sir.
5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay? Right. So, first of all, the x equal to 4 and y equal to 3 another secondary case. First, you take the triangle like this, you take a ladder like this, A, B, C, This is called x, this is called y, this is called phi. Apply Pythagorean theorem. X square plus y square equal to 25. Sir, why are you doing like this? Because for us variables are important. At the only end you should put x equal to 4 and y equal to 3 ds. புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, நம்ம ஃபங்க்ஷன் செட் பண்ணோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து டைரக்டா சொல்ல you need to find out dy by dt மா. But on the dy by y என்றது வரும் because it depends on x also. So you should have a relation between x and y. So x square plus y square equal to 25 ma. If you differentiate it, 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Differentiation of 25 is 0. Divide with 2 ma, you get x into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt equal to 0. X equal to 4. 4 into, okay, dx by dt is what? 2 centimeter plus y is 3. I hope you are getting clear. 0. So 8 equal, sorry, 8 equal to minus 3 into dy by dt. So dy by dt equal to minus 8 by 3. That's all, yes, that's all, yes. So the answer is minus 8 by 3. நீங்க அப்படி எழுத கூடாது. இதுக்கான क्वेश्चन என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா decreasing any questionல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதனால you should write 8 by 3 ma. The height is decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter, sorry, meter per minute ma. I think doesn't matter ma, you can write it, okay, because anyway both are relatively cancel each other. Centimeter la irundhalum நம்ம போடலாம். இதுக்கென்ன இது அப்படியே இருக்குங்க. It's also you are getting in centimeter, doesn't matter. 8 by 3 centimeter per minute ma. இது சென்டிமீட்டர்ல இருக்கறனால இதுவும் சென்டிமீட்டர் per minute. But இது வந்து 4 மீட்டர், இது வந்து 3 மீட்டர். That's important. மீட்டர்ல வைக்கலாம், இது சென்டிமீட்டர்ல வைக்கலாம். Because this also in meter, this will be centimeter. அப்படிதான் நம்ம பிளான் பண்றோம். இல்லன்னா யூனிட் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம், மீட்டர்ல சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். புரியுதா இல்லையா? ப்ளீஸ் இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணலாம். இதுக்கு ரேஷியோ வந்துடும். அதனால you can here also centimeter, here also here meter, here meter. Therefore it's only ratio model. So you can do that. Otherwise, if you want change it, this become 400, this become 300. Anyway, you can divide with 100. It will be same answer now. Is it clear, dears? Is it clear, ma? So 10th is done, ma. Please fast. Is it interesting or not, dears?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let us do now 13th one part.
Sir, I have a small question, sir.
Yeah. Please.
How is it that you're getting 3 over there, sir? 3 dy by dt?
Hold on. Just tell me now.
How are you getting 3 dy by dt over there, sir? When we differentiate, don't we get 2 dy by dt? How are you getting 3 over there?
2y into dy by dt, correct?
Yes, sir, but where is the 3 coming from, sir?
Oh, okay, fantastic. Okay, is it clear? I can divide with 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you put the values of x and y. My x is 4 and y is 3, right?
Oh, right. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot about that. Yep.
Oh, carry on. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, my writing this function is very, very important, my dear. That's why this question I have done it. The reason is the function is not explicitly mentioned, ma, please. Earlier, like area of a circle, and all three. But inga அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாதுமா. Therefore, you should write the Pythagorean theorem of the ladder, rectangle, triangle, you get it. So x square plus y square is 25. You should write the relation between x and y. You have to find out dy by dt. Until I know the relation between x and y, I cannot find out dy by dt because dx by dt is known. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next is 13 mark. So simple question only, no, not any big difficult ones. Yeah. Question number 13. A balloon which always remains spherical. So we are talking about sphere, ma. Shape is sphere. A balloon always remains spherical, has a variable diameter. Diameter is equals to 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1 is given for diameter. So radius is nothing but 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1. Do you agree? Half
Yes,
of
sir.
it. Yeah. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. With respect to x. Read the question mark. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. Volume with respect to x. Okay? Right. That's all. Question is very, very clear. We are talking about a sphere. We want a function of the volume. Volume of a sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi radius cube, ma. Radius cube, yes. Volume is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r is nothing but 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole cube, yes. This is the radius cube. Agree? Agree? So volume is nothing but 3 by 4 whole cube, mind. 4 by 3 into pi into 27 by 64 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Do you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you cut this is 16, you cut this is 9, that is called 9 pi by 16 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, dv by dx, ma, only variable is x here. Therefore, volume and x, that's it. So differentiate now, please. dv by dx, 9 pi by 6 is a constant, yes. This is the x cube model, so it is a 3x square. And differentiation of 2x plus 1 is 2ds. That's all, minus 2 cut panna, it become 27. So dv by dx is equals to 27 by the 2 cut panna, you get 8 minus pi 2x plus 1 the whole square, yes. Whole square. Is it clear, pa? So volume means what do you get, ma? Centimeter cube, whatever, okay? So unit, whatever is given, cubic centimeter per yeah, centimeter square, okay? D centimeters cube by centimeter square, centimeter square, okay? dv by dx. Is it clear, ma?
Yes,
And
sir.
centimeter square units, okay? Square units. Why is square units and solving, please? This is in centimeter cube. This is in centimeter square, centimeter. Therefore, you get centimeter square or square. He didn't mention that it's centimeter or meter. Therefore, you get a units, square units. I hope it is clear. Ninga check panala. If you want to check the answer also, you can check it, dears. Yes, excellent answer. They have not mentioned any unit, don't worry. But I have mentioned it. Square units. Note பண்ணுங்க, please note பண்ணுங்க. Is the diameter of a sphere. Radius is a variable diameter. Radius is 3 by 4, half of it. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is nothing but this. You substitute it here and cube it. Differentiate it. Constant, right, as it is. X cube differentiation 3x square, but it's not x. Derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2x. So you get 2 8s are 16 here, 9 pi by 8, but 3 9s are 27 pi by 8. That's all here. This is your final answer. I hope it is clear, please. So let us do one more question now. We will do the 15th question now. 15th question is hope I have taken, please take it. Over, Pa. Shall I go further?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In the question is economics question or question come up, please. Look at that. Question number 15 panla, okay? Actually, 14th one is a beautiful one. Or you can do that one question for please. The 15th one for the total cost seen rupees associated with the production of X units of an item is given by C of X cost associated with the production of X units. C of X and cost associated with the production of X units is given as 0.007 x cube plus minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. This is the cost function here. We call it as a cost function. Now we have to find out the marginal cost. Find the marginal cost. Find the marginal cost. Yes. Marginal cost is nothing but, yes, marginal cost is nothing but dc by dt. That's all. C or a derivative the marginal cost part. dc by dt. This is the cost. Simply find the derivative. When 70 units are produced, X is the number of units produced. So when X equal to 17, you have to find out here. So simple here, so simple, right?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, by definition, what is the meaning of marginal cost, sir?
See, how does the cost is varying with respect to dc by dx man, it's not t. At x equal to 17, dc by dx means what? See, friends, here, if you go today, I was surprising. Okay, when I was going to this Kundamali road in my area, Porur, I found that they are selling a mask per piece. I think 5 or 2 rupees. I don't know exactly. 5 rupees, I think, per piece. Friends, here The cost of production depends upon the number of units you produce. See, my dears, whether I teach for 2 students or 200 students, my effort is same. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So where do I get more profit? When I have 200 students, I'll get more money. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's what we are doing here, dears. Here, when how does the cost, what will be the effect on the cost when I produce more number of objects or the more number of items?
Yes,
Mass
sir.
production, okay? So more number of goods you produce, the price will come down, yes. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You see earlier, mobiles were very, very costly earlier. Basic mobile itself was earlier 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 rupees, Nokia, big one. Today, the same button phone is 1,500 because mass production, huge number demand. That is the effect, my dear. So, when more number of objects are produced, it depends upon the number of objects you produce now. Cost depends upon the number of objects produced. That's called dc by dx marks. So you differentiate this one part. dc by dx 0.007 x cube, but differentiation is 3x square minus 0.03 x square differentiation is 2x. 15x or different 15. 4,000 differentiation is 0. That's obvious. At x equal to dc by dx at 17 years, at x equal to 17 years, 0.007, 3 x square is 17 square, 0.003, 2x, 2 into 17 plus 15 years. Just you multiply and find out now, you get a final answer. Yes, okay? You can, let's not waste time on that, right? Is it clear, Mark?
Yes, sir.
So this is about this. So you complete all the questions, my dears. And if you have a doubts, tomorrow we will see for the first exercise is over now. One exercise, please. Okay, let us make it that way. Okay. Increasing, decreasing function is not the way you can complete in one day. It will take little more time, but fourth exercise is simple one. We can complete it in one day. Okay? So let us see. Okay, 7, 8 classes. Okay? Thank you, dears. Thank you, Siddharth and Arpit. Nice, wonderful guys. Bye. Take care. Tomorrow we'll have again class at same time. Yes. Thank you. All the best.
Yes, sir.